Hello there. Welcome to SauceTrack. If you're seeking software updates on a regular basis, we suggest that you subscribe to our channel as we will provide you with honest and unbiased software reviews on a regular basis. And we are back with another review for Adobe Photoshop Elements. So, if you are interested in getting your photos out there, Adobe Photoshop Elements are working to make images from great photographers accessible to brands across the globe. Every graphic designer and photographer's life revolves around image editing software. Businesses all over the world are attempting to harness online media to establish and reinforce brands that help provide new channels for lead generation and income in this era of social networking and online marketing. So, what are Adobe Photoshop Elements? Adobe Photoshop Elements is an image editor software intended for photographers, graphic designers, and enthusiasts. It has the majority of the professional version's features. Users can use the application to generate, edit, organize, and share photographs. The initial version of Adobe Photoshop began as a simple photo editing program. Over the years, it has grown into Photoshop CC, Creative Cloud, which comes with tools and menu options that cater to the demands of animators, web designers, and even 3D modelers. The cornerstone of Photoshop Elements' popularity is its ability to combine strong editing features with a user-friendly interface, allowing even inexperienced photographers to generate outstanding outcomes. That's certainly the case with the 2022 update, which employs new artificial intelligence algorithms known as Sensei to automate editing jobs that would otherwise take hours to complete. So, let's have a quick look at its dashboard. The dashboard is very intuitive. The home screen is the first thing you see when you run Adobe Photoshop Elements. You can launch your selected application, see multiple feature tutorials, key resources for the most recent features, view auto creations, and more from this screen. You can work in quick, guided, or expert modes, depending on your degree of Photoshop Elements proficiency. So, moving forward. In the dashboard, you have the Guide tab, which provide information about how to use Adobe Element. Everything is here, from editing the minor details to removing the complex background. Next is Advanced Expert Mode, where you will discover the most often used Photoshop features required in pro-level photo editing. This expert mode allows you to edit images. This mode includes tools for fixing color issues, creating special effects, and enhancing photographs. Coming to its features, Adobe Photoshop Elements is known for its user-friendly interface. It's pretty easy to use, and it's a sort of follow-up to the 2019 edition. Anyone can quickly encounter the required tools and begin modifying pictures. The straightforward interface contains options for doing basic edits including Smart Fix, Sharpen, and Exposure in the quickest possible way. It provides you with all quick action features that allows you to edit your photos. For example, you can remove background from the photos, resize it, convert to SVG, JPG, PNG or GIF formats. Also, if you want to create a QR code for your website link, you can also do so here. Along with that, it also provides you with creative feature using which you can make attractive resume, posters, cards, banners or invitation letters. To edit your creatives, you have the option to remove backgrounds, to add or remove components in the image, one-click image selections, improve image quality, collage photos with n number of templates and use numerous filters. Photoshop Elements isn't the cheapest photo editor for the Mac, but it's still superb value for money since it can utilize features from the professional level version of Photoshop to give you some really strong tools for editing and applying creative effects to your photographs. The starting plan is $69.99. Along with all of the basic capabilities, this price plan includes Adobe Sensei AI technology and 61 step-by-step guided adjustments. The second package is priced at $99.99. The bundle includes 88 step-by-step guided edits, Adobe Sensei AI technology, and simpler video editing. With effortless search, effective picture alteration tools, and impressive face and geotagging skills, Adobe Photoshop Elements are one of the photo editing software for transforming a normal image into an exquisite image. Users can easily edit the images that pop out and seek attention. This confirms the transformation of a lifeless and dreary camera image into a visually appealing show. Adobe Photoshop Elements allows customers to get started with their work and allows any sort of company to build a great picture with so many capabilities packed into a single platform. It allows users to share their stories, customize initiatives, and invite others to join in. Many of the effects, though, appear to be antiquated, and with no tool to correct chromatic aberration, you might not always be able to discover what you're searching for. So, did you enjoy this video? What additional software would you want to have us look at next? Please let us know in the comments area below so we can get started, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until then, stay safe. We'll be back with another video very shortly.